Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In our today's video, we are going to learn about the numerical of mean but with different condition. In this, we are going to find out the missing frequency. That means one number is missing from the given frequency. So let's get started without any further ado. Your question says, the following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is, that means your answer is given over here. Your X bar is already given over here, which is equals to rupees 18. Okay, 18 rupees is already given over here. This is your X bar. The thing which we need to find in rest of the sum, X bar is already given in this sum. And the question over here is find the missing frequency F. That means you need to find out F. The F in this case, you need to find out over here. Okay. So let's get started with the sum. But in this sum, I am not going to perform all the three methods. I am going to use assumed mean method. So according to that, I have made my column. First column is of the daily pocket allowance, which is already given, the class interval, the upper limit, the lower limit, which is already given. And the second column is of FI, which is already given in our question. I have just copy pasted it. Now comes your third column, which is of your class mark. And in the previous video, we already learned how you can find out your class mark. The formula for class mark is upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. That means it becomes 11 plus 13 upon 2. That means it becomes 24 upon 2. So it gives you 12. So this becomes your class mark 12. Now, as you can see over here, there is the difference of 13 minus 11. That means there is the difference of 2. So you just need to add on 2 into your class mark. 12 plus 2 gives you 14. 14 plus 2 gives you 16. 16 plus 2 gives you 18. 18 plus 2 gives you 20. 20 plus 2 gives you 22. 22 plus 2 gives you 24. Okay. In the previous method, we have learned that you have to select your A from the middle portion. But when you are given your missing frequency, you should keep one thing in mind, that whatever the number F is, the number opposite to it. That means this Xi will become my A. This is a compulsory case for the missing frequency situation. Whenever there is missing frequency, always name A or assumed mean the number which is already frequent, means the number which you need to find out. Okay, so in this case, we need to find F in of the class interval of 19 to 21. So the number opposite to that, Xi opposite to that, will only become your A. This is the specific condition you have to remember. Rest of the things are similar to the sums we have did earlier. Okay, so according to the formula, Di says Xi minus A. That means it becomes 12 minus 20, which gives us minus 8. So write down over here 12 minus 20, it's minus 8. So write down over here minus 8. Then you are having 14 minus 20. That means it gives you minus 6. Then 20 minus 16 is give you minus 4. Then 20 minus 18, it gives you minus 2. And 20 minus 20, that means 0. And I have already said 0 over here, 0 over here. Rest of the numbers will be negative and the other will be positive. Okay. So now 22 minus 2, that means you will get 2 positive and 4 as positive. Now, as your term says, FI/DI, that means multiply your FI into DI. So first is 7 multiplied by 8. It gives us minus 56. So write it over here, minus 56. 6 6 are 36. So this becomes minus 36. Then 9 4s are 36. So this again becomes minus 36. And 13 2s are, that means it's minus 20. 6. So write it down over here. 5 2s are 10, positive 10, and 4 4s are 16. Now add them. So the summation of this will become positive 26 and the summation of this will be 56 plus 36 plus 36 is equal to 128 and 128 plus 26 gives us 154. So the summation of all this number will be minus 154. Okay. So plus minus minus. So 154 minus 26. So 154 minus 26, it gives you 128. So your answer of sigma Fi di will be equals to minus 128. Keep this over here. Now for this your sigma Fi, so the summation of sigma Fi will be equals to, now you need to keep this thing in your mind that you need to add all the numbers but you have to keep plus f as it is because you need to find out this missing frequency. So here 7 plus 6 equals to 13, 13 plus 9 equals to 22 and 22 plus 13 equals to 35 and 35 plus 5 equals to 40 and 40 plus 4 equals to 44. So our sigma Fi becomes 44 plus f. So wherever we will find sigma Fi, we will substitute 44 plus f. Okay. So after doing the column work, go on to your theoretical work by substituting your formula. What is the formula for x bar? So for assume mean, your formula says x bar is equal to a plus sigma Fi di upon sigma Fi. Now in this case, we know our x bar which is already given in the question. It's 18. So substitute over here 18 equals to. In my case, what is my a? My a is 20. So write down over here 20. Plus, what is my sigma Fi di? My sigma Fi di is minus 128. So write down over here minus 128. What is my sigma Fi? My sigma Fi is 44 plus f. So write down over here 44 plus f. Now continue with the sum. Side change, sign change. That means your 18 minus 20 will be equals to minus 128 upon 44 plus f. Now as you can see, 18 minus 20 gives us minus 2 equals to minus 128 upon 44 plus f. Now as you can see, this negative and this negative is getting cancelled. This carry goes over here. This denominator goes into multiplication. That means 2 multiplied by 44 plus f will be equals to 128. So 44 into 2, it gives you 88 plus 2f equals to 128. Side change, sign change, that means 2f will be equals to 128 minus 88. Now subtract this 128. 128 minus 88, it gives you 40. So you will get 2f equals to 40. Now 2 goes into denominator. So f will be equals to 40 divided by 2. So your answer will be 20. So therefore your missing frequency f equals to 20. This way you can find out the sum for missing frequency. The problem is same, the method is exactly same which we did earlier. But the thing is we need to just keep in mind that the number which is missing over here, that means the missing frequency, the number opposite to that, only that number should be taken as assumed mean or A for assumed mean method or step deviation method. Rest of the method is perfectly exactly same. Just you need to substitute the values and you will get the answer. This was the sum for only one missing frequency. In the next video, or if you want, comment in the section. I will show you the videos or sum for 2 missing frequency as well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you will join in the next video again.